Greetings everyone, Joseph Anderson here with a brief presentation about security issues going on with servers and client hosting on WordPress sites. In front of you is a alert sent by WordFence, and it was on obviously Tuesday, 29th of October 2013, and we can see here the IP and where it's coming from. And these are people trying to break into our WordPress installation, a single WordPress installation. It's a multi-site, but it's on a single domain. In any event, here we go, and please take note of the hosting companies. This shows the sheer incompetence of and or lack of security on behalf of the host and the client, or both, and or in all fairness. And let's go through and see what who's doing what. So this one doesn't show the host name here, but it does show the IP, so we can nail them in our main firewall and we won't see them anymore. Next we'll go to this one, and we'll just keep going down. These are all from the last 24 hours maximum. There's 95 of them, and no, I'm not going to go through 95 of them, but you'll get a good idea and see what's going on here pretty quick. Here we go. Here's a hosting company, revivehosting.org, attacks us. Obviously they have a security issue. And we'll continue on through. Bluehost, box 492 is infected. Ooh, isn't that special? Continue. InMotion Hosting, their VPS 5355 is infected, compromised. Continue on. HostMonster, host 144 is infected, compromised. I don't know Joe's Web Hosting, but that looks like a India or Asian IP number there. Not a US. All the previous IPs appear to be all United States. We'll continue. Here's the next one. BrainHost. Never heard of them, but they're another one. Compromised servers. Bluehost. Oh, Bluehost is one of the worst of the offenders here, with the most boxes we can find compromised, infected, just total mess. I'll continue on and you'll get the idea real quick. And you can see the dates and times there up in the upper right, how they keep changing. And these attacks are one after the other. There's a few minutes in between, but for the most part, they come like in rapid succession. Another one, Bluehost, box 706. Oh, these are people I want to host with. Not. Don't know these people, but obviously server compromised. Server compromised. That's somewhere in Europe. Server compromised. Server compromised. Server compromised. Unified layers. Server compromised. Another one. Box 205. Bluehost. Oh, yay. Another one. Box 806. Bluehost. Another one, box 293, Bluehost. Ridiculous, pathetic. Host 199 at HostMonster. Folks, this is why our security is so tight, to avoid this stuff. These servers are attacking other servers. HostMonster number 304, host 304. Obviously, they've got massive security problems, and with this amount, like on HostMonster and Bluehost, there's no excuse for this garbage. Another box 421. These are all unique, by the way. I haven't seen a single repeat of these boxes with Bluehost trying to attack us, but of course we won't, because it gets blocked. And so on with the next one. Host 238, HostMonster. And I guess you guys are getting the idea that you can clearly see that, first of all, I'm going in these in chronological order, and for the most part they're all in United States, and they're all compromised servers and hosting accounts. So, which one of them's to blame? Weak passwords, etc., firewalls. The list goes on, but it's the host, the client, and the host are responsible for this issue. Did anyone notice that just a moment ago it was like 4 or 5 Bluehosts right in a row? And it just continues on. Just host, compromised server. It's ridiculous. Well, anyway, I could go at this all day. I'll flip through a few more here. Box 570 Bluehost, 280 Bluehost. Why don't they just say the whole damn data center's an infection? As many as we've seen. 327 Bluehost, 493 Bluehost. There is no excuse for this kind of infections going on. Box 692 Bluehost. Another one. This is from Latvia, obviously, and we'll just keep going through here real quick, and it just never ends. And Bluehost, garbage of garbage. Liquid Web got it there. I passed by it quickly there. Bluehost again, unbelievable. Bluehost again, and I'm not being discriminatory on these. These are actual, in order, attacks and how they happened and where they came from. Box 795 Bluehost, unbelievable. It must be there must be just an infection of some sort. The whole day, the whole data center, as mentioned earlier. Well, I guess you get the picture. And by far, Bluehost is the worst of all. And this one here, this is a GoDaddy server. Cloud IPS, I don't know which cloud this is, but here's InMotion. It's rare for them, so I would have to say that this is probably a security breach by the end user. Bluehost again. Bluehost again. That was a Germany one. And I guess you see what I'm trying to point out. These ones that just have user IPs, like this one without the host name, are connections. Those are end user computers that are infected and compromised and attacking people's servers. And they don't even notice. I'm surprised they don't even notice that there's something going on, because while this is going on, these attacks, their computer slows down. Just total pathetic, ridiculous. Well, this clearly shows we went through just about 30 or so of these, and there's 92 of them just for today alone. So you can clearly see that it's just totally out of control. Thank you for watching, and be safe out there.